Thank you so much for joining me for video 150 in a row here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I have something to share with you all. So today is day 150 of me posting 150 videos long form here on this channel. And it's also my last day of posting daily long form videos. Not because I'm quitting, because I realized my stubborn consistency was actually a trap to avoid a much harder experiment. So, if you are stuck in a loop of your own of working hard but hitting a ceiling, let me show you the data on why your discipline might actually be holding you back. I know your discipline might actually be holding you back. This is for my hardworking people, okay? If you haven't checked off enough boxes yet, I'm not talking to you. All right? So, when you are stubborn, right, with being consistent and with your discipline, you are going to come to a point where you're going to hit a ceiling and you are not going to be able to grow anymore. This is what I've realized with my daily posting. And if you're new here, my name is Spivey J, and on my channel, I talk about mindset mastery so that we can transform our life, so that we can get more fulfillment out of this life. And I take everything through what we all know as the scientific method, right? So you have a hypothesis. You take that hypothesis into the lab. While it's in the lab, which is you taking action and experimenting on something, you are collecting real time data. And you're going to use that data to inform your next step, which is where you're likely going to be adjusting different variables, but one at a time, likely to get the results that you want, essentially to reach your goal. You just keep running your hypothesis through the scientific method over and over until you reach what you're after. So me, myself, what I've been doing is an actual experiment. For 150 videos, this is where we are. And I could not be more grateful. My favorite part about my channel are the thoughtful comments, right? You know what? I'm going to pop them on the screen. The comments are so meaningful. This lets me know that what I have to say is very much so needed, wanted, and more of it. And I've just grown so much doing all of these 150 videos personally, and I just feel so indebted and honored to be in a position to just help people to hear themselves and mirror what other people, what you may be feeling, and to just truly transform your life by mastering your mind, right? So I appreciate every single one of you who have watched the video, liked it, shared it, commented. Thank you so much for letting me know, for one, I'm not speaking into the void, and two, it's time to get better. But first, let me share with you 3 points about why I made this decision and where we're going. Okay, so the first point is the trap of rigid rules. So I put myself in this container to post 1,000 daily videos in 1,000 days on YouTube. That's a lot, right? That's like climbing Mount Everest. And I became attached to the identity of being the person that uploads daily, right? The daily poster. That's impressive. Oh, you uploaded long form videos every day on YouTube? Okay, like I respect you. I respect that. And although that's really cool sounding, it actually steered me away from my true goal, which is to build this community and grow it. In complete honesty, is to grow this community. And so daily posting has certain effects on me creatively, and on YouTube and the algorithm and the internet itself. Okay. But because I was so rigid with my rule, I couldn't see any other way until I started tuning in to my star player. And once I started tuning in to my star player, I was able to look at the next point, which is the data shift. All right, so I'm telling you about running stuff through an experiment and using the data to determine what variables you need to adjust. I'm not a hypocrite, so I'm going to do it for myself. And men lie, women lie, numbers don't, right? So the data shift. The algorithmic realization of daily posting is that you're not giving your videos enough time to reach enough people, because by the time it gets started and go through the mill, this is an assumption, another video is posted, right? Before the algorithm is able to get the data it needs to push my videos out, again, an assumption, I'm putting out another video. So it resets every single time. Again, my assumption. And so my work needs room to breathe. And so that's what I'm going to give it. And that's where this last point comes in. The new experiment. All right. So I am not leaving y'all. Y'all thought I was just going to stop posting every day. Absolutely not. The new experiment. So instead of posting daily long form videos, I'm going to mix it up a bit. I'm going to post 3 videos a week giving each video a day or two to just reach the audience, to just grow. And in the meantime, on those other days, I will be posting YouTube shorts and or a community post once a week. And so that way I'm giving the algorithm different touch points. I'm giving my audience, really, so I'm doing it for y'all. I'm not really doing it for the algorithm. I'm doing it for y'all. But the algorithm is like a side piece that you need. It gets me to you. So I'm going to utilize the best of both worlds. I'm going to be strategic with my experiment instead of staying true to the identity of a daily poster. And that's what I want to encourage you to do. If you are a hard worker, stuck in a loop and reaching a ceiling, be okay with the fact that you're probably going to have to change your strategy. Although I know you wanted such and so accolades or accomplishments, it's probably time. If you've reached a ceiling point, it's probably time that you change your strategy, upgrade it, and instead of going for quantity, we're going to go for quality mixed with quantity in a way that hits it in more ways than you were doing before. Right. And this also is going to help. I know it looks super dark. I promise you it's not that dark outside. But this is also going to help me creatively because I have things that I want to do. But by the time I get to it, it's the next video is due. And I'm just like over producing when I could just be focused more on the quality. So I'm really excited about this. Again, I am not leaving daily posting on YouTube, but just I'm going to, at least for 30 days, try out this new schedule. And if it works, I'm going with it, and we're going to keep adjusting. And if it doesn't, maybe I'll come back, but I'm going to keep trying whatever is necessary to reach my goal of growing this community. So if you are interested in building momentum in your life, you may have to change up your strategy and release the old identity that's keeping you stuck or got you to where you are, and maneuver a new strategy that's going to get you to your next goalpost. All right, we're all in this together. You are not alone. In the meantime, in between time, I am building more proof in my life. And if you are ready to build a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We're going to go through this new experiment together. It looks so dark. I promise you it's not that dark. I truly appreciate you being here. It means a lot. Please comment, talk to me, y'all. Because, like, who am I talking to? Talk to me. I really, really enjoy responding to comments in less than 24 hours. This brings me so much joy to be here with you every single day. And I'm going to keep learning. I'm going to keep reading. I'm going to keep studying. I'm going to keep reflecting on my own truth and sharing with you exactly what's going on. Because by doing so, my hope is to help at least one other person. And from what you all have been telling me in your comments, or responding to my free newsletter that I send out on every Saturday, and now I send an email out on Tuesdays in my life design lab. Like, I just I love you. I love this so much, and I look forward to just continue to growing. So I truly appreciate you for being here. All right. In the meantime, in between time, my name is Survivor J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right. Peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know